gonna slice up a whole lot of the onions, little cipollini onions. And we're gonna start off with a little bit of sage, the onions, and a little bit of butter. A lot more than you would actually think we would use. This really adds a lot of flavor. We're gonna get them nice and brown, even browner than you would actually think. All the sage, all the onions in there, and then we're gonna add the liver mixture. Brown it up a little bit, and then add the water. And that's what makes the sauce. Then we add the noodles, and we again start to reduce the ragu around the noodle, add a little bit of butter, and then reduce. We're gonna shave a little bit of orange when it's almost ready. You can also garnish with some orange zest. And then we're gonna start to toss it and toss it. Make the ragu hug the noodle. Add a little more fat, little olive oil, a little bit of butter. And then, as always, remove it from the heat and add the cheese. And then we do the tossing 30 times. And then we plate. Finish with a little Reggiano cheese as always, and enjoy.